This is a quick demo of our latest version of the virtual reality training garage. As you can see, as you look around the space, we've designed a beautiful garage. We're assured by mechanics this is how you'd love them to look. And in this particular garage, everything is interactive. So not only do you have a gorgeous view out the window, but you can also actually pick up and use a variety of tools and benches and everything you might need to actually take mechanical action of the car itself. And some things are falling into space. Keep an eye out for those. The car itself is highly interactive. You can actually open and close all of the, for example, doors, and you can get in and have a sense of what it's like to be a passenger or even drive the car yourself. But what's ultimately going to happen in future versions is the ability to do a training in which you'll be able to make repairs to the engine itself, perhaps change the spark plugs and so on. And that's the idea of our virtual reality garage.